You can't keep clinging to someone who no longer has space in your life. Let go what no longer add in your life. One of the most rewarding and important moments in your life is the moment you finally find the courage to let go of what you can't change. Marami sa atin, maging single, in relationship, or sa ating mga pamilya mismo, within the members of the family, ay may mga nakatagong hinaing tungkol sa ating relationship with them. Relationship na pilit nating binubuo kahit napakabigat na sa ating kalooban. Relationship na masyado ng toxic, ika nga. Marami tayong kadahilanan kung bakit pilit pa rin nating binubuo ang ating relasyon. Pilit pa rin tayong nagtitiis, nagtsatsaga, alang-alang sa kung anumang kadahilanan na meron tayo. Hindi madali pero kinakaya, ika nga. Subalit, gaano man tayo katyaga, gaano man tayo kapasensyoso, ika nga, ang lahat ay may hangganan. Kapag puno na ang salog, ay dapat nang kalisin o bawasan. Darating din tayo sa puntong hindi na natin kaya at kailangan na nating isipin ang sarili nating kapakanan. Kailangan din naman nating bigyang halaga ang ating sariling kalusugan, ang ating sariling katahimikan, peace of mind, ika nga. Mahirap namang ipilit ang hindi na pwede. Mahirap namang ipaintindi pa ang ayaw ka namang intindihin na. Kung sa tingin natin, nagawa naman natin na ang tama. Kung sa tingin natin ay naging fair naman tayo sa paghanap ng solusyon upang maiwasan ang toxic relationship, hindi naman siguro masama na. I-let go na lang natin kung sobra na ang pagka-toxic. On na lang tayo, ika nga. Huwag nating sayangin ang oras at panahon sa hindi na magandang relasyon. Kailangan din naman nating pagbigyan ng ating mga sarili na maging healthy emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Kailangan din naman nating maramdaman at makita na may iba pang kinabukasang nakalaan sa ating buhay. The best is yet to come, ika nga. Trust that the future can still be beautiful, even if it looks different than what you were expecting. Hindi man ibinigay ng Diyos ang ating mga inaasahan. Move on lang. Tuloy ang buhay. Reflect on your past and learn from it. Use it to make the best of your present and then bring it to your future to bring your dreams to life. Deserve mo din ang maging masaya. Deserve mo din ang mamuhay ayon sa iyong kagustuhan at ayon sa iyong pangarap. But sometimes, we have to give up on people. Not because we don't care, but because they don't. Look for a turning point in your life's destination. You can't hold what is no longer for you. If you continue on looking back for too long, you will run the risk of losing what comes forward. Destination awaits for you. Continue controlling your present and move forward. Marami pang magagandang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Ang mundo ay patuloy na umiikot-ika nga. Enjoy the present while working for the future. Kung ayaw nila sa'yo, di wag. You deserve to be happy. Deserve nating maging masaya. Deserve nating maging free and away from toxic people and toxic relationship. Tell yourself, I deserve the best, and the best is yet to come in my life. It is time for me to be reborn, have a new life. But remember, to receive a new life, we must first release the old. No looking back, ika nga. Just keep the good memories in your heart and make the bad memories as your inspiration to make a better present and future. Kapag nagawa mo ito, masasabi mong, the past has no power over me anymore. Dahil kaya mo nang mag-move on at handa mo nang harapin ang panibagong hamon sa buhay. Destiny is always opening a unique opportunity for us. But the choice is ours. Kung minsan, takot tayong sumubok sa mga opportunities na dumarating sa ating buhay. But, para sa akin, kapag mayroong opportunities at takot kang sumubok, pray for guidance. At huwag matakot sumubok sa panibagong hamon ng buhay. And that's it for our video for today, my friends, sa ating mga story for today. And hope na maka-inspire ako sa inyo. And kung nagustuhan nyo ang kwentong ito, pakihit naman po ng like button at mag-iwan lamang ng mensahe sa ating comments below. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.